Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make money with no money. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well to let you know which products I believe are legitimate and which ones are not, as far as you making money online. And if you want to learn more about those things, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. I had talked about this in a previous video, but I just wanted to point it out to you again. There's a way that you can make money with no money online, and that is on Fiverr. And this is just an idea that you might not have thought about. It's creating thumbnails, YouTube thumbnails, because there's a big need for this. I pay someone to do mine. Okay, let's see what this brings up here. But I'll show you on my channel. These are all the ones that I've paid someone to do. So there's plenty of people on YouTube that need thumbnails created because they just don't want to do it themselves. And so you can become a seller on Fiverr. You come right here and just click on Become a Seller. Cost you anything. And you can see the different ones on here. I've used him before. He's really good. He does it in an hour and he charges $10. This one here, they've had like this many reviews, 535 reviews. There's 9 orders in queue, so you can tell that they do a lot of business. So I'm guessing that maybe they get nine orders a day, maybe for $5. So it could be potentially $45 a day. And they do it in she does it in 1 day, unlimited revisions. Now, of course, you wouldn't want to copy this, but you can kind of model after what they say about their gig and just the different specifications here. And then you say, okay, well, I don't know how to do that. I have a lot of people that I'll tell them, you know, I get a lot of sales from YouTube. You should start a YouTube channel. And people will say, well, I don't know how to do that. Well, can you learn? Yes, you can learn. Okay, so you could go, I know this isn't free, of course, but you could go to like Upwork and find somebody who's good with graphic design and post a job and just ask them, you know, tell them that you want them to teach you how to create thumbnails like this. And then you could get on a Skype call with them, share your screen. They could just show you how to do this. And it's not that hard. It's just a little bit, you know, it's time consuming. There may be some sort of a learning curve, obviously. But there's a place that you can go to create these for free. It's called Canva, canva.com. You can see that I have made mine here, but they're not that good. That's why I always have them redone. But I just put them up in the first place before I get them redone. But all you do is go to Create Design and YouTube Thumbnail is right here. And they have like a lot of different templates that you can use. Over here, I always use this one. So you can just put an image here or however you want to do it, and there's all kinds of different things, elements and background, and you can upload graphics here, and this is completely free. So this is just an idea of a way that you can make money without money, because again, you can just come in here and be a seller, and some of these go up a little bit higher in price. The person that I use, they charge $5 and they do 5 thumbnails, and he can get them done in like an hour, and he's really, really good. So I continue to use him. So if you have a really good price and someone like myself needs to have them done every day, then obviously you can make some good money doing that if you have a lot of different clients. A way that you could find people who need thumbnails is you could go to YouTube and just see some channels that are maybe just kind of up and coming but don't really have good thumbnails. You can reach out to them. You can also go to Facebook, and there's a lot of YouTube syndication groups, and just reach out to the admin there and see if they would just post something about your gig on Fiverr, because I know a lot of people in our syndication group don't have thumbnails, and I think that that's something that really makes your channel look professional as opposed to like the ones that I do. But it helps your click through. It helps people to click on your videos because it's eye catching. So again, this is how to make money with no money. You can learn how to create YouTube thumbnails and make money on Fiverr. So if you found value in this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And again, if you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about this type of information, make sure you click the subscribe button. Also, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can check that out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.